Just want to make a quick video for those who are not aware. Many of y'all probably know already, but we're an independent distributor for Dermalite. So whenever a dermatoscope needs to be sent in for service, we ourselves don't perform the service. Instead, it goes to Dermalite Corporate. So there's not much I can do to speed up or change that process, but what I did decide to do a while back was to keep a number of lender dermatoscopes on hand. Basically, they're like open box or return dermatoscopes that have come back, and rather than reselling them, I've kept a number of them that we use to lend out to customers who need to essentially borrow a dermatoscope for while theirs has been sent in for service. That process is pretty quick, but can take upwards of 3, 4, 5 weeks even sometimes. And as you probably know, that's a long time to be without your dermatoscope if you're used to using one with every patient. So if you do need to borrow a dermatoscope, just let us know. Now, as mentioned, because we're not directly involved in the repair process, this truly is something that we offer as a courtesy. And I say that because when we send the dermatoscope, we ask that it be treated gently and with care and not bumped around too much. And then when it comes time to send it back to us, that again, it comes back to us at dermatoscopes.com and doesn't go back to Dermalite headquarters in California. There was an occasion where there was some confusion. So again, we're a separate business entity from them. So any returning of the lender dermatoscope comes back to us and not Dermalite. But yeah, if you have any questions or you need a lender dermatoscope, just let us know. Thanks.